The 2025 McLaren GT has garnered significant attention in recent YouTube reviews, showcasing its blend of supercar performance and grand touring comfort. One notable review, titled 2025 McLaren GT, Luxury Meets Performance Full In-Depth Review, provides a comprehensive look at the vehicle's features and capabilities. Design and aesthetics. The McLaren GT's exterior design reflects a harmonious balance between aerodynamic efficiency and elegant styling. Its sleek lines and sculpted bodywork not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its performance by reducing drag and increasing downforce. The signature dihedral doors and distinctive LED lighting elements further accentuate its modern and luxurious appearance. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the McLaren GT is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 620 PS and 465 lb-ft of torque. This setup allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 203 miles per hour. The vehicle's proactive damping control suspension system ensures a smooth and responsive ride, adapting to various driving conditions to provide both comfort and agility. Interior and comfort. Inside, the McLaren GT offers a luxurious cabin designed for long-distance comfort. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, providing ample support and adjustability. A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complemented by a 12.3-inch driver display, offers intuitive control over various vehicle functions. Additionally, the GT boasts impressive cargo capacity for a supercar, with 150 liters of storage at the front and 420 liters at the rear, accommodating luggage for extended journeys. Driving experience. Reviewers highlight the McLaren GT's ability to seamlessly transition between a comfortable grand tourer and a high-performance sports car. The vehicle's adaptive suspension and precise steering provide confidence-inspiring handling, while its refined cabin ensures a pleasant driving experience during long trips. The GT's exhaust note adds to the sensory experience, delivering a satisfying sound that complements its dynamic capabilities. Comparison with other McLaren models. When compared to other models in the McLaren lineup, such as the 720S and 570S, the GT stands out for its emphasis on comfort and practicality without compromising on performance. While it may not match the track-focused prowess of the 720S, the GT offers a more versatile driving experience suitable for daily use and extended travel. Conclusion. The 2025 McLaren GT successfully combines the exhilarating performance expected from the brand with the comfort and practicality desired in a grand tourer. Its thoughtful design, advanced engineering, and luxurious features make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a supercar capable of both spirited drives and comfortable long-distance journeys.